Now we've seen how easy it is to earn points, to gain points. But then how do we use the points? There are two ways. You can either use the points as a payment, or you could as well use a point to get an offer. Remember with the bag Linda. So let's put Britt into the sale. And her card number was this one here, 10003. So she's in sale and she only has 165 points. Let's do a little bit here to cheat because that's allowed to do when you are on a course. So let's sell item number 50,000, briefcase, and let's sell 100 of them. So we are selling a lot. So Britt is buying 100 briefcases and we do total and just pay with cash. We wanted to make sure that Britt has enough points to use for her buying. So let's put Britt into the sale again. And you see now she has 10,165 points. So that's enough to use. If she buys a bag Linda, then you see that she got the offer. Price is this, using 25 points, she will get an offer. But this time let's not do it, just do cancel. Because she's gonna buy her things today and pay with points. So she's also buying around the scarf. So we get a little higher amount. So she's buying for 50 for 60. How do we do that? How do we pay with member points? First of all, of course, the member points has to be a tender type allowed in the store and in this company. And then we need to have it in our menus. So we do total. Similar as we have cash in our menus, we need to have member points payment in our menus and share behind other tender type. And then we have member points. And let's use that. And you see now that she has to use 546 points to pay for her 54 and 60. So it's not the same rule as you were gaining points. And retailers want that. They want to have one rule of gaining points and then another rule how many that they're going to use. And this is all depending on a currency. So there is a currency in the back of it called LOI. And there we set the rate. And I have set it 1 against 10. So you need 10 points to pay 1 in amount. So that's fine. Let's do OK. And we're done. That's how easy it is to use points.